Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would do another Pretty Little Thing shape range review. So this one is also sort of like party attire, what you can wear clubbing or to your Christmas party. It's got a bit of both in it, but I just thought I would do another one because you guys have seemed to like the other reviews. And I do rate Pretty Little Thing shape range. Like if you've got curves, more often than not, they cater for it. So it's quite an affordable range as well. So I do like reviewing their stuff. But that being said, let's jump straight to it. So I'll start with probably the most expensive or fancy one I got. So this dress was £25 and it's just this sort of like lace bodycon type thing. So I'm just going to take it out of the really noisy bag, so I apologise. I'll try and do it quickly. And it just looks like this. So the reason I got this is just because I loved it on the model. That was literally what made me want to get it. And you can always tell it's a fancier dress because it has the fancy tag around it. So it just looks like this. And it does have the sewn in cups, which I don't think they look bad. I just think they look a bit unusual. But on this one, it doesn't show much at all. And I think it's more just to, you know, emphasize the curves a bit more. So I like it on this one. The straps feel a bit flimsy compared to the quality of the dress, but they are adjustable, which is ideal because I hate it when the straps aren't adjustable because then you have to sew them or cut them to make the dress work for you. But it looks like a lovely length dress. It's a very classy dress and it has a cute slit at the back, so I shouldn't be waddling like a penguin. But yeah, let's throw this on and see what it looks like. Okay, I love this one, guys. The top of it fits beautifully, even though the straps are a little bit flimsy. They're adjustable, so I think they just fit lovely, and the dress itself fits really nice, so the straps are more there for decorative purposes. Apologies about this ribbon, the dress fits lovely. It's not stretchy at all, but it is made for a figure with curves, so you don't need to worry about that. Like, I don't feel like I'm going to rip it. It does have a little slit, which I think is very important, otherwise I'd be waddling, but oh, it's lovely. It's got such a sort of vintage pin-up vibe to it. I love this one. I think it hugs me so nicely. I love the lace overlay. Like, damn, I really like this one, guys. And I know it is a bit more pricey, but it's £25. We're not talking loads of money. And for a party, I think that's a bargain for a dress like this. Look at that. It just fits so nice. Like, it's not trying to squash me anywhere. It's like it was stitched for me. No, I love this dress. Let me know what you think, but this fits beautifully. So the next dress I got is this one. Let me just get it out of the bag. It's like a sparkly ribbed one, and I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting like ribbed material like you get in some tops. This is like, I don't know if you guys can see this. It's kind of like a net. This is really odd. Like, look at this. Oh, it does. It might go a bit see-through. I don't know what is making me think that, but we'll see what it looks like on. I can't actually remember how much this one was, but it looks really like fancy, and it's kind of, I want to say it's a little bit rough feeling, so I hope it isn't like itchy, but let me just have a look at how much it was and I'll get back to you. So this dress is £20 and it's just very unusual. Like, I'll either love it or hate it. I'm not sure how it's gonna sit. Like, it might be that fabric where if it stretches in one place, it will stretch in another because it's like an accordion. I don't really know how to describe this dress, but it might be amazing. So I'm just gonna throw this on and let's see what it looks like. It's kind of unusual. I like the fact it's unusual. It's funky, but it is very sparkly, look. Ah. Right, let's get this on. Okay, if I'm honest, I'm not feeling this dress at all. It literally looks like they've just cut out 2 panels from a piece of material. None of the edges are finished off and just sewn them together. It's a very unusual fabric. Like, as you can see, it's just really odd. And I feel like it just wants to ride up. I also would be worried that you shine a top, like it would be very see-through if there was any form of flash or that type of thing. And I feel that, you know, an evening party, there'll probably be quite a lot of that. So no, I'm not sure on this one. It's just not my cup of tea. I thought ribbed was going to mean something different. This is very unusual fabric, I'll give them that. It's just not very nicely finished, or yeah, I don't like how it's sitting on me. But let me know what you think. I'm not feeling this one. It's a bit too, I just don't think this is a good material for a dress. Like you can see here, if I like pinch it, it stays pinched. It's a bit unusual, but this is how it fits nonetheless. So the next dress I got is a green, quite slinky one. I do like my dresses like in this fabric. They're sort of like a slinky fabric. I don't know how to describe it. But this one looked really sort of nice on the model. It's like a one shoulder one, and I don't know if I like the one shoulder look or not, but it's got this, it's like ruched down the sides, which makes like the ruching go across, and I think it'll be really flattering on a curvy figure. So we'll see what this looks like. I got it in an 8, and I believe this one was £20 as well. I feel like that's quite a normal price for Pretty Little Thing. So let's have a look. How much was it? £18. It was cheaper than I thought. So for £18, I mean, this is a lovely looking Christmas dress. Like one shouldered, you'll match the Christmas tree. How cute. So I'm gonna go throw this on now and we'll see what it fits like. So this is how it fits, and I'm actually loving it. I wasn't sure on the one shoulder, but the actual fit of the dress is just beautiful. It comes just above the knee, so it's a really nice length, and it just hugs really nice. Like it just feels lovely. And I love the colour of it, especially for Christmas. I think this is a lovely option. And yeah, it's just a really nice sort of, not too booby, it's just quite a safe option. But let me know what you think of the one shoulder, because it's a style I don't normally go for, so I wanted to try it. But it goes with my pendant lovely, which is always a good thing. And yeah, I like the ruching, how it's done. It's sort of like stitched down the side, and then it causes ruching all over the front bit, but it's kind of nice because around the curves it doesn't. So no, it draws you in at the waist and brings attention to the assets, which is always nice. But yeah, no, I like this one. Let me know what you think, but I think it definitely flatters. It's quite a flattering design, so no, I like this. The last thing I got, I think is a little bit too casual maybe for a Christmas party, but I definitely think it could work for clubbing, that type of thing. So it's a two-piece. I got it in grey. I think they do it in black as well. I just wanted to see what grey looks like. And I got the skirt in a size 10 though, because I think they didn't have an 8, but it doesn't look huge actually. It looks absolutely fine. And I think these were actually really cheap. I think these were £5 each. Let me check that. Yeah, they were £5 each, which is a real bargain, and you can re-wear the skirt with different things or the top with different things. So I thought that was a really good price. And the top is the sort of style that I wear quite a lot anyway. It's like an off-the-shoulder sort of bardo? I don't know how to say the word, but you guys know what I mean. So it's got like a V-neck, crisscross, long sleeved. It looks tiny, but it will stretch on, and I think it'll be really cute. So I got the top in an 8, skirt in a 10. I probably could have done with a 10 in the top looking at it, but we'll see if I can wedge myself into it and go from there. But no, I really like the colour of it as well. I think grey sort of shows off the curves a bit more than black normally does. So it might be a bit over the top, but we're just going to put it on and see. So this is what it fits like, and gotta say I'm a bit disappointed. This is a size 8, and I'm normally a size 8 in most things, but this fits like, I feel like I've put on a size 4 or something ridiculous. So I feel like I need a size 10, but probably a size 12 for comfort. Like, it is cutting into me so badly. And then the size 10 skirt actually fits really nice. It's tight to my waist, so I definitely would suggest sizing up in this set. Just because it comes up small, but it doesn't look bad. The skirt fits really cute. I'd love the top in a size that actually fits me, and that's not an 8 quite clearly, and it's very restrictive with the arms, so this doesn't work for me, but the skirt's quite cute, and it's just a really easy thing to wear. It's not like tight anywhere, but it, you know, hugs your waist, which is nice. So I can see this looking really cute as a 2-piece. But you just got to get the right sizes in the 2-piece. But yeah, let me know what you think, but definitely a no from me for this top. So that's all I got for you guys today. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the outfits I got. I'll also link them all down below if you'd like to find them yourselves, along with my social media, so you can check that out if you like. But thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.